We brought the Xiaomi Mi A1 3 to 4 months back. Since then, we have been using Mi A1 as our daily driver. Now that we are using the device for such long, here's our view on Mi A1. In this video, we have compared the Mi A1 with Moto G5s Plus and OnePlus 5. We compared its features like camera and performance. Here's what we like about the Mi A1. The Mi A1 comes with Android One out of the box. I'm not a big fan of MIUI, but I really like the build and design of Xiaomi phones. But the Android One convinced me to get this phone. The phone comes with a 2-year guarantee update for latest Android versions. I don't know if you have noticed, but Xiaomi has some really awesome cameras in their budget phones. Same is the case with the Mi A1. The Mi has some really awesome cameras. I fell in love with the portrait mode. The phone clicks some really awesome portrait mode photos. Check my Instagram posts, most of them are clicked using Mi A1. No phones with portrait mode in this range comes even close with the portrait mode in Mi A1. The Mi A1 has a really good design. The design feels like a premium phone. The sleek design is something that we really like. The phone has a metal build due to which the phone feels premium. The phone has not disappointed in terms of performance as well. Sometimes overusing do slow down the phone, but that's a rare situation. Most of the time, the phone has performed really well. So now here's what we don't like about Mi A1. The video in this phone is not that really good. The phone lacks electronic stabilization due to which you might get a lot of shaky videos. The low light camera performance. The phone is good camera performer but in good lighting conditions. In low light, the images have too much of noise in it. The phone is not really worth for taking pictures at night. The one thing I really hate about this phone is no support for fast charge. It takes hours for this phone to charge from 15 to 100%. In comparison with the Moto G5s Plus, the Mi A1 has a better portrait camera and is a better performer. But Moto G5s Plus has a better video quality since it has video electronic stabilization. You can take really good selfies due to the wide angle cameras in Moto G5s Plus, and the Moto G5s Plus has turbocharger, and believe me, it's really awesome. But the Mi A1 gets more frequent updates as compared to the Moto G5s Plus. In comparison with OnePlus 5, the Mi A1 gives a tough fight in the camera department. But OnePlus 5 has better low light camera performance and comes with fast charge. So you might think OnePlus 5 wins, but seeing the price range, the comparison really looks even. That's our view guys on Mi A1. Now it's up to you to decide which one you should go for. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome content.